Hey guys, so welcome to Quick Fix. So in this video I'll be showing you the basic operations which you can use in GitHub, like how to use GitHub. So first we have to go to GitHub. So I will type GitHub, and so first of all you have to create your account here. So to create an account, go to sign up and type your username, email address, password, and select a plan. So once you are done with your creating your account, and go to sign in and enter your username. So I have already created my account, so I'll be just signing in. So first of all, in this video we'll see how to create a repository. Repository is basically like a folder in which you can save your file. So first, here I will go to the new. So let's say I want to create a repository to store my C program. So I will say repository name will be C programs. Here you can add a description, it is optional, and here you can also specify whether you want to public this repository or keep it private. So I will be choosing only the private public. And now this is for the readme, in which it will be describing your repository. So I'm not going to select this. So now I'm going to create repository. So once you are done with your repository, to import a code or upload a code in your repository, you have to go to create a new file. So here is the code section. Here you can give the name of your code, like code 1. So here you can also, I'm keeping this file as a blank, so I can upload my original file directly. So go to commit new file, and now you can see your file is here in the repository. So now I will upload my original file. For that I have already created my one file for uploading. So now I will again go to the repository and select create new file. No, you have to upload. So I will going to upload files, and here I will choose my file. So my file is on desktop. So this is my file, and open. So now the file is uploaded successfully. You can add here description, and you can commit directly to the master branch, or you can create a new branch. So now I will do the commit changes. So now you can see here my file is uploaded. So this is one operation in GitHub you can do. And next operation is to download a code from a GitHub. So like if I want to download a code of crossword, so crossword, I will simply type crossword. So these are the code which are uploaded by sub people. So here I am going to search the code which is in C++. So here you can see the code. So since so I will download my own code which is on my repository. So once you open any repository, you will see this type of window where you can see a option like clone or download. So you will go to clone or download and download a zip. So I will paste it in my desktop. So the code is downloaded successfully. So this is the downloaded code. So I will first extract all. So the code is extracted, and here you can see the code which is present here. So I'm opening this in my code block. It's taking a while, but you can run a code. So the code is here now. So this is a CPP code, C++ code, so you can run it. So this is a one function, second function of GitHub, and third is the if you want to delete a repository from your GitHub GitHub account, so you have to first go to the repository. Like if I want to delete this repository which I created few minutes ago, I will go to the settings, and I will scroll down here, and which is in the danger zone. So if I want to delete this repository, so I will hit this and type the name which is here. So I will simply copy this and I will paste here. So this will delete my repository. So here you can see my repository is only one repository here, and the repository which I have created few minutes ago is deleted successfully. So these are the few basic operations you can perform, and it will help you get started with the GitHub. Thank you guys, and if you like this video, please share, comment, and I will meet you in next video.